In today's video, we start a beautiful sea day off right with a 2-a-day brunch in the main dining room, then a dip in the botanical garden pool before heading to Gala Night dinner and the amazing show Cinnonic. All that and more starts now.
Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to the World America during yoga. Pretty sweet that they have this here on the lanai, looking over the water. Beautiful little thing. We did have to move our clocks forward last night, so the time is about almost 9 o'clock. Got up at 8:30, just been kind of hanging out with the little one. So we are going to head to Sea Day Brunch. I will throw the menu up here. It is a single sheet menu because this is the Sea Day Brunch menu. If I could do the Eggs Benedict.
Egg Benedict?
Yes.
Salmon or with ham?
Salmon.
Yes.
And then can I do this Courage fried chicken?
Yes.
And then if I could do the brownie a la mode.
And brownie.
Yes, thank you very much. Another successful brunch. What'd you have?
The Eggs Benedict, the yogurt parfait, and the very, very tasty strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, it was all very, very good. You got some strawberry shortcake still on your face.
Let me see.
But yeah, so we're back in the room for a little bit. We got a sheet of paper that was put on our door about the Do Re Mi activities, which is the kids club. And they have some...
I'm doing it at 10 o'clock.
And then they have some family stuff to do together as well. I think we're going to just do some exploring, walking around, checking out the ship some more. And we'll be taking you guys with us. So I dropped Madison off at the kids club and then came down here back to the room because I wanted to grab some camera gear stuff. I'm just kind of sitting out here, of course, just mesmerized by the waves. Down beneath me, 2 stories, is the sports bar. And I don't know if it's the Olympics or if there's a specific game going on right now, but there is a gaggle of people down here that just erupted, like scared me while I was sitting here mesmerized by the ocean, because whatever happened was good. So go sports or whatever's happening.
So let's go ahead and head down to the World Promenade and check it out for ourselves and see what the commotion is all about. Now this outdoor promenade is absolutely beautiful. They have some shopping here as well as the Coffee Emporium, your upcharge coffee shop. On the left they have Paxos Greek, which is a specialty dining restaurant. We'll visit that later in the week. And here they actually have a terrace up above the restaurant, so if you do the grab and go side, you can also just sit up there and enjoy your food. Now on the left side here, you have Promenade Bites, which is where they hand out popcorn and cotton candy for free throughout the day. And then they also have some bites for purchase, I believe. You saw somebody just shoot out from that jaw drop slide. It's a dry slide and you kind of sit in a little pouch kind of thing. Pretty cool. But here it is. Look, this was hilarious to me. This entire sports bar, and there's 50 people gathered around one guy's laptop in the corner. So I guess all these channels and all these TVs in the sports bar, and none of them are covering what these people are watching. So it was pretty amusing. But of course, let's check out one of my favorite things, the wake of the ship. So earlier today, there were people pointing out here, almost like there were dolphins jumping or something. Should be pretty cool.
We are about to go to the buffet on
Nope, we are not going to go to the buffet. We are going to go to the pizza and burgers restaurant down on 6, I believe it is.
So we are about to go to the lunch at the pizza and burger restaurant on deck 6. My daddy here believes.
Yes, I believe. Yeah, I was walking around while you were in the kids club. I walked around with the 360 camera and filmed some. and I stopped by that pizza and burgers place, and it's not open yet. It opens at 12:30, so we got about 20 minutes. So we're just gonna chill, catch a breather, charge some cameras up, and then we'll head back out to lunch.
So here, on deck 6, is pizza and burgers. And not only do they have pizza and burgers, but they also have wings, which I really enjoyed. They also do hot dogs and many other things like chicken nuggets. They also have a ton of desserts, including Madison's favorite dessert, a pink sprinkled jelly-filled donut. I'm not sure how they get the jelly inside the donut because it is a hold donut, like it has a hole in the middle. Anyways, they had some great desserts here. We also spent a good bit of time playing pinball here. Madison has become quite the pinball wizard.
All right, we've switched over to the GoPro 10, and we are gonna try and go swimming. We went up there, and we forgot her goggles. So we're gonna try and go to the actual pool and just go swimming in a pool. Successfully, we made it into the indoor pool, as you saw, which was nice. We weren't even really in the sun that long, like kind of in the sun, in the shade, in the sun, in the shade. But boy, I feel like I sat in the sun for an hour. I'm pretty tired. There is a Facebook meet and greet at 3:30, which is in about 10 minutes, down in the sports bar. So I think we're gonna go try and check that out, see if anybody shows up. Facebook groups can be really hit or miss on sailings. I always like to join them and get to know a few people before the sailing so that when you see them on the ship, they're already friends. Yeah, so let's go downstairs, see if we meet anybody from the Facebook group. Whoa, all right, let's go. Look at me. Whoa. So we just got back from the Facebook meet and greet. Not a lot of people came. I think maybe some people were confused with the time change. I don't know. But we had a nice time. They're doing some like coupled stretching class down here on the lanai. And it's really funny to watch because like the guys are picking up the girls, and then the girls try and pick up the guys, and everyone's doing really, really well, but everyone's laughing because it's funny to watch a guy, be on the back of his wife and try to put his feet up in the air, and it's pretty good. But wow, it's impressive. That's pretty cool. So yeah, it is about 4:30. We need to get ready for Elegant Night, Gala Night is what they call it here, and we have dinner in about a half hour. So we need to get ready. Madison and I are going to dress up a little bit, me much less than her. She's going to wear one of her favorite dresses, and she's going to look phenomenal. I'll show you guys in a second. And then I'm going to be wearing pants, which is like as far as I'll go to getting dressed up, and a long sleeve shirt. So like double whammy because it's hot. We're in the Bahamas. Why would you wear pants? But anyways, all right, let's get ready to go. We'll show you our outfits in 3, 2, 1. All right, and here we are. Madison's in her dress that her great grandma gave her with this cute little fuzzy vest. And I'm wearing long sleeves rolled up because I don't like full sleeves and pants. So please don't do that. Thank you. All right, let's go to dinner. So we have made it here to dinner. I will go ahead and throw the menu up here. It is Gala Night. So everyone's looking spiffy. except that guy around the corner that's in a t-shirt and shorts did not get the memo, but that's okay. Great things on the menu. This is probably one of my favorite nights in the main dining room. If you have specialty dining reservations, I would do it not on a gala night. Perfect. Good. How are you? Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you.
I would like a house salad.
Okay.
You do a house salad with some ranch?
Ranch dressing?
Do you want me to tell you? It's the chicken scallopini.
Chicken scallopini? Okay.
Yes, please.
With the baked Alaska.
With a baked Alaska.
Okay.
Good job, bub.
Sir, for you?
And then I'm gonna do the steak tartare
Okay.
and the lobster bisque.
Okay.
Then the lobster tail and jumbo shrimp.
Okay.
And then add the filet mignon.
How would you like your filet mignon, sir?
Medium rare.
Medium rare.
Yep. And then if I could try the bananas, chocolate, and peanut butter slice.
Okay. That's it?
Perfect. Thank you.
Welcome.
We're about 10 minutes away from Cinnonic here in the Panorama Lounge. I am sitting all the way in the back, but I have my big trusty camera with me, so I should be able to get some good shots for you here in the Panorama Lounge. A lot of people say come to these shows, prioritize these shows over the World Theater shows. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Cinnonic here on the MSC World America.
Stand us up with the colors blinding. Take a roll and redefine it. Live behind your narrow mind, you'll never be the same. Come alive, come alive. Go alive, show a light, let it burn so bright. Come alive, come alive. Go alive, show a light, let it burn so bright. Reaching up to the sky, and it's open wide, you're electrified.
So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to talk over this bit because I already got one copyright strike. I really enjoyed this show. As you see, there is live instrumentation. They also did it with a orchestra that was pre-recorded. And I think this combination worked out really, really well, where you have the driving force of the main band with the backing track as well. And I think this was an absolutely amazing show, and it really showcases the talent of the musicians, of the performers, and of course your ensemble.
I had a great time at Cinnonic, the show. It was very, very cool. Sang some really good songs. Love, Greatest Showman, and a couple of. I wish they did a really good one of Pirates of the Caribbean and Star Wars. I wish they had done a Lord of the Rings because I'm a Lord of the Rings nerd, and I feel like they could have done a really cool Jurassic Park thing, but that's okay. Anyways, Madison's gonna eat her pizza. I'm gonna eat my pizza. Maybe get some ice cream. So tomorrow morning is Puerto Plata. We will have a nice time. And if the weather holds out, we are going to go off of the ship and check out the port area. That's if the weather holds.
The silent disco is on the lanai, just outside of our room. I always love the silent discos because you just hear people's squeaky feet, and then like half the crowd's screaming the YMCA and the others screaming Mr. Brightside. So I always enjoy a silent disco watch. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. I post new cruising videos every week.